Welcome to this video, where I will show you how to disable the light screen effect for messages in the Viber app on your Android phone. If you find the screen lighting up whenever you receive a new message distracting or unnecessary, this quick guide will help you turn that feature off easily. First, open the Viber app on your phone. Next, tap on More located at the bottom right corner. Then, from the menu, select Settings. Then, in the Settings section, tap on Notifications. Scroll down carefully until you find the option labeled Light Screen for Messages. This setting controls whether your phone's screen lights up when you get a message. Finally, toggle the switch next to Light Screen for Messages to turn it off. Once disabled, your screen will no longer light up when you receive a new message, helping reduce distractions or save battery life. Thanks for watching.